Hi, and welcome to the channel. Glad you could join me. Time for a new build series this time. How about a PT-109 Patrol Torpedo Boat by Revell in 1/72 scale. Now this will be a inbox kit review. So this is kit number 85-0319. And it is a 2020 re-release of the 2018 PT-109 kit. The only thing they changed was the box, so we got new box art for that. As far as I know, if anybody's built this boat, let me know. Now Revell does a pretty good job of packaging everything. We do have plastic bags for the sprues. Taking a look at our instructions real quick here. On page 1 we have a nice picture graph of the boat itself. And as soon as we open up, page 2 has all of our instructions on how to build a model. Very first one there is study your instructions. That's kind of important. And they do show us what tools that Revell thinks that we're going to need. And on through washing the parts and even painting and decal application. And the next page is the instructions on the little icons and what they mean. You know, glue this part, do this 2 times, etc. On our next page, we have our color callouts for painting our boat. Now, Revell does give us a little diagram here showing us how to mix paint. And then anywhere that there is paint that's being mixed, it gives us the percentages, like you can see here for color C, 80% number 36 and 20% 83, and then down below it also gives us what those colors are in case you don't have the appropriate paints. I believe these are Revell paints. On our next page is our Sprue Map, and that might be useful if we're having trouble locating a part. So we start this assembly with the hull, of course. Here we can see we have to drill some holes, and that's true in a few of the parts on this kit. And that has to do with which boat we choose to build, either the gray version or the last color scheme version, which will be green. We need to know which one we're going to do so we get the holes drilled in the right places. So that's a decision that we're just going to have to make before we even start building, because we're going to have to start doing those modifications early on. And here we can see the first color scheme. That's on, I guess that's plate 51. It's the gray version, which is probably the one that I'm going to build it in. And next is plate 52, well, I mean step 52, which is the green color. That's the last color that the boat had before it was struck by the Japanese destroyer, which sank it. So you do have the color option of doing that, and if you build a lot of boats and everything is gray, you know, or ships, and you'd like a little bit of color, throw some green in there. You could do that color scheme. So now let's take a look at the parts. First up is our hull halves. So the hull of this boat comes in 3 pieces. Here's the 2 main pieces. There's not very much detail on the side of them, and here you can see where the copyright mark of the model is. So next we'll take a look at Sprue A. Now this sprue contains the rear section of the boat's hull, and we also have some interior parts. There are a couple of benches for the cabin, and we have some superstructure parts. I guess you're going to call those superstructure parts, I think. So there are some hatchway detail. But most of this is all going to be down inside the boat, and the windows are really, really small. So I don't think any of it's going to be seen. If so, you'll just get a glimpse at it. But the detail is really good on it. they should be paint up. They should paint up pretty good. Next Sprue B. Now it does have part of our stand and some of our weapons. I think there's an anti-aircraft gun there, and we also have some of the parts for the cabin area. Smoke generator, which is a tank, goes on to the rear of the vessel or boat. Somebody in the Navy is going to correct me. So now you can tell that these parts are really kind of thick, and the whole model kind of has that feel. I imagine if this had been cast by Trumpeter or some other manufacturer, they could have made two models out of the amount of plastic that's in this Revell kit. So this is Sprue C that we're looking at, and there are two of those. And one version has the depth charges, and then we have our twin 50s as well, you can see there, and our propellers. Also, this kit has a little bit of flash and a lot of mold parting seams that we need to take care of, and it shouldn't be too much trouble really. Here we're looking at the mufflers. There are 6 of those, I think. Yeah, 6 mufflers. So the overall impression on these parts, some of them are molded really good, and then the others are just kind of lacking in detail. And you would expect for a model that is as new as this, 2018, that we would have better definition on it. Here we're taking a look at the clear parts. The windscreen here, depending upon which version you decide to build, it's either going to be clear or painted green, if I can think of the word. And a quick look at Sprue E, which has the superstructure. I guess we're going to call it superstructure. The very front portion of that, as well as the roof to the cabin area, and our antenna mast. I think it's an antenna mast. I'm sure there some of you boat guys out there are screaming and pulling your hair out right about now. But there are interior details. However, they do have some ejector pin marks. I don't think that they're going to be seen. So next up is Sprue F. And that does have the armor guard around one of the cupolas there, and then the protective rails for the forward one as well. And then the other side of our front superstructure in the front. But there are injector pin marks in the bottom of these parts, and I don't think we need to fill them really, because it's going to be really dark inside there. We will paint this up though. That's kind of my impression. And this is Sprue G. Yeah, it's got a bow plate. I'm trying to think of what that was called. And also our life raft and some deck covers as well. The one with the 4 holes in it, I believe, is the one above the engine room. And then on the rear plate, deck plate, we do have to drill some holes for our rear armament. Next sprue is Sprue H, and that is our pedestal mount for that rear anti-aircraft gun that's mounted on the rear deck. And next is Sprue I. Now there's 2 of these, and these are our torpedo tubes. So the earlier boats had torpedo tubes, and later versions just had the torpedo roll-off brackets. Now the green version of the PT-109 had a apparently a 37 millimeter anti-tank gun that was lashed down to the forward deck. I think I'm using the right nautical term, forward deck. Let me know. So that, of course, the wheels were removed off of it, and they had some cribbing underneath it, and just had it tied to the front of the deck. And next up is the main deck. Quick look at that. And you can see we have some details, some tie-down points, and some access hatchways. And also we do have the areas that are going to be covered by the superstructure and the cover for the engine room. And there are holes that need to be drilled in this, which we've seen in our instructions. So we need to make sure that we drill the right ones for the right version that we want to build. Next up is our decals, and they actually look pretty good. Now these were printed in Italy. I don't know who does the printing for Revell, but as you can see here, they are really thin, so I'm interested in seeing how well these go down. And so there we are. That's what we have in the box, and I guess it's time to start building. So let me know down in the comments if any of you out there have already built this kit and what your impression of it was. And as we build and go along, I'll let you know what I think of it. As always, thank you very much to all of my subscribers. It's because of you guys that I continue to put out these little videos for you to watch and enjoy. And if you are new to the channel and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss my next video, which will be the build video of this very kit. So until then, you guys stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.